Hello, so today and tomorrow you have 2 days to try your own persuasive writing with just a little mini write. So it's really short, it's just one paragraph, but I wanted to go over the directions with you so you make sure you understand what it is you need to do. So when you open your assignment, you'll see the Google Doc and it looks just like this. And the first thing it asks you to do is to click this link to open the persuasive words and phrases in a separate tab. So when you do that, you're going to see this document, which you've seen before. And this just has some really good reminders for you of good persuasive words and phrases you can use in your sentences, some good sentence starters for introducing an expert opinion or fact, and then also really good sentence starters for a counter argument. So you want to have this open in a separate tab and make sure you're looking back at it and using it as you write. It's actually going to make your writing a lot easier because it's writing half of your sentences for you just by using these sentence starters. So first, make sure you do that. The second thing you need to do is think of a time when you wanted something from a parent, a teacher, or a friend. It could be an item you wanted somebody to buy you. It could be a place you wanted to go on vacation. It could be a task you wanted them to help you with. It could be a rule that you want changed. So think of any idea that you want from a time in your past when you have wanted something. And again, it could be something you wanted from your parents. It could be something you wanted from a teacher. It could be something you wanted from a friend. The topic is really entirely up to you. You're just going to write one paragraph trying to persuade that person to do what it is you want. So when you write your paragraph, you're going to need 6 sentences. That's it. You could elaborate and explain and include more, but if you type these 6 sentences, you will be good to go. The first thing you need is a topic sentence, something that's going to introduce what it is you want. Something like, please buy me a cell phone. Something that just introduces your topic. Your second sentence is going to be a good reason, and it might help if you go back and look at that PowerPoint from earlier this week about what a good reason is. Remember, it should be something that matters to your audience and something that you could back up with a fact. So one sentence that states a good reason. One sentence that provides good evidence. It should go along with your reason. It should include a number and/or an expert opinion. You can just make this up for right now, sort of like the example that I gave you in the PowerPoint about, mom has had to try to call the school to get me a message 13 times in the past month. It could be something like that that you sort of make up for the sake of this paragraph. If your topic is something where you can easily Google a fact, that's great. But otherwise, you can always just make something up for the purpose of this paragraph. But include a good example of evidence. One sentence. Use some of those persuasive words and phrases from the chart that you should have open in another page, right? I'm convinced that, I feel wholeheartedly, something like that would be excellent, okay? And then your counter argument. And again, use the sentence starters here to help you because it's basically writing half the sentence for you. And if you need to go back and look at the PowerPoint on counter arguments, that has some great examples in it as well. So that's just a single sentence, and then finally a concluding sentence. What is it you want the person to do? Please buy me a cell phone tomorrow. Whatever it is, something like that. You're going to type your paragraph right here in this box. You can obviously erase my blue words here. And then finally, just make sure you proofread your paragraph. Read it backwards, one sentence at a time. Listen to it read out loud. You can always copy and paste it into Google Translate if you're not already using one of the screen readers. And especially be sure to check for run-ons and commas, because that's something we've worked on quite a bit this year. So you have 2 days, you have all day Thursday and all day Friday to type your one paragraph. Don't forget to click submit when you're finished. Enjoy and have fun with it.